my channel. So today I'm going to unbox my June Fab bag. As usual, all the details about Fab bag and the subscriptions will be mentioned in the description box. Also, you can try my code which is mentioned here to get a 10% discount on your 3-month, 6-month and 12-month subscription packages. I didn't receive the past 2 months of Fab bag because of the lockdown and all. So this is how the bag looks. Everyone has got a different bag this time. This bag is not a new design for me because I have seen something like this before. So this month's bag contains 5 products. Some of them are full size, some of them are sample, some of them are deluxe size. I'm really excited to explore the products with you all. So let's start. So first I have got this Scent Events Tea Tree Body Wash. So this is a body wash in a tube and it has tea tree oil, eucalyptus oil, peppermint oil, and this is also sulfate free. So I'm really looking forward to trying this one out. This is a 40 ml pack and it's great to keep something like this in your vanity so that whenever you are going to travel you can take this with you. The price of this is 149 rupees. Also check out the description box for all the details on these products and their prices, their sizes. Next, another thing I got is this All Natural Co aloe vera gel. I have received this in the past and this is the second jar of it. I like using this one because it's all natural and it has no color in it. It's purely transparent, so I really like this. This is a 50-gram product and the price is quite high. This is 399 rupees. Next, another recurring product in my Fab bag, which is the Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Sunblock Lotion SPF 30 All Natural Mineral Line. This is a 20 ml product and the price is not mentioned here, so I will leave it in the description box. Next, we have got another old product. I think in my last Fab bag I have received this one. This is the Casca Nail Lacquer in the shade number 85, which is Nature's Way. I have received the same shade before and I haven't even touched it and I got the second one. So this is a very luxurious kind of a nail lacquer. Nothing new to say about it. Okay, so this is the full size product and the price will be mentioned in the description box as this box doesn't contain the price. The last product and the star product in this Fab bag is this Plush Crush Cream Crayon by Sugar. It's a full-size product and this time we were given a choice to choose the shade of this product, this lipstick, and the shade I got is called Peach Pixie. Shade is very nice and it's also very comfortable on the lips. I really like Sugar's lip crayons. I have the matte ones, but this one is very comfortable on the lips. Also the matte ones are really comfortable, but this one has a little sheen on them, so it's very moisturizing for your lips. So that was it about this month's Fab bag. I have mixed feelings about it because I didn't receive the past 2 months. None of us has received the April and May Fab bags, but this month, so I was really looking forward to try something very different and new and something really exciting this month, which didn't happen because most of the products I have tried before and Fab bag has sent them, like the Aroma Magic Sunblock Lotion. Fab bag has sent them so many times to me. So yeah, I really appreciate that they are working in this hard conditions and they are still delivering your favorite stuff to you, but at the same time I was really looking forward to trying something really new this time, as the past 2 months were no Fab bag months for me. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, you guys be happy and keep smiling. Bye.